Alright, y'all, so we got ready and cute. Shout out, you know, my girl T. And we are on Bourbon Street right Perfect. Hey loves, I'm Jess, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're not, then welcome back. I'm starting my New Orleans, Aries, it's New Orleans, right? New Orleans vlog. We're going to Nola. Whoa, I'm so freaking excited. You guys don't understand, like, this was supposed to be my birthday trip, and now we can finally come. I mean, I don't think everything's like open all the way, but still we can still celebrate, go to a couple bars or do something, you know. I think the ships are still open. That's the only like whole reason that I wanted to come down here, to get on the boat. I've never been on a boat before. But anyways, I'm basically like literally late celebrating my birthday, and my friend T is here with me too, celebrating her birthday, driving. Yes. Anyways, before I completely start my video, I want to say that the world, okay, what I'm trying to say is, like, it's so much going on right now, and sometimes we lose like hope, we get depressed. People, I know, I have some friends who were like not feeling well or whatever, and it's just, y'all just keep your head up during the whole pandemic. Please, like, don't let nothing like discourage you from what you're doing. To all the people who are doing online school, including myself, I'm in college online. Do not get discouraged, because I know online is so freaking hard. I hate online classes. But anyways, y'all, for real, don't get discouraged. If you're doing online, on campus, whatever you're doing, like, don't get discouraged, because, you know, dark days don't last forever, y'all. We gonna make it through this pandemic. Anyways, let's get started with this video. So we made it to New Orleans. This is our Airbnb that we're staying in. How do you turn these lights on? Oh, they got like TVs in every room. Oh, yeah. This shit fire. Excuse my cussing. Look at this room. I don't like it. It's cute. With the tub. This one has a tub. This is not like the picture though. This is cute. Oh, that's not the one we're looking for. Oh, this room is nice. It got three bathrooms, don't it? I thought each bedroom had a bathroom. Look at this room. It's yellow. Yeah, I like the yellow. You might keep this one. You want this one? No, you can keep this one. Let me go see what. Which was this one? Oh, baby! You said you think you slick. This one with the tub. Y'all, look at this. Got a whole little world. What you call a little tub? A little jacuzzi tub. A little jacuzzi tub. A walk-in closet. What's that? Oh, that's a shower. That's lit. Ooh, this lit.
We should got the one with the pool, but
we definitely should have got the one with the pool.
And then I'm glad I got iron.
What's that, iron? Oh, washing machine. That's lit.
Boom, everybody can have their own bathroom.
This one's lit too.
Let's look at our stuff.
Okay. This fine.
3 bathrooms, 3 people. Boom.
Where's the first bathroom?
Right there. It's like room, bathroom.
Hold on, let me go see the second bathroom. I'm gonna say see. I'm trying to see what bathroom I want. Oh, this is the yellow one. Oh, this got a tub too. I really want that damn weird little jacuzzi. I almost tripped, y'all. This is really nice. Something like I'm gonna show y'all the building on the outside. You wouldn't think it's so big on the inside. Look at the living room. Lit. We're really in New Orleans, y'all. Look at this, where you can smoke. I don't even smoke, but this is fire. It look like we in a neighborhood or something. Look, this is the outside. Anyways, wow, this is lit. Where's the strip? How far? Okay, so me and my friend, rock, paper, scissors. Like, we playing rock, paper, scissors for that big room in the big tub. We're finna see who wins, y'all. Y'all ready? 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. That's 2 out of 3.
All right.
On shoot.
All right. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come on, guys. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come on, Tim. Stop. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, fuck. Wait.
I got you.
Okay, go.
All right. That's one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got you! I won fair and square. I won fair and square. T, I won fair and square. Me too! I'll let you come. Matter of fact, I'll let you use it.
You gonna let me use it? She gonna let me use it.
Oh, we.
Damn.
I won.
How you cheat in rock, paper,
How I cheat? How did I cheat?
cheat?
How did I cheat?
But no fucking
Derica was a witness to all of
to
it.
cheat.
How did I
Necessary
cheat?
to cheat
How did
though.
I cheat? Okay.
It wasn't even necessary. You can have it. You can have the little funky room. I don't even want it no more.
I'm so weak. You can use the tub, man. Just Lysol it. Okay, y'all. So we came out and tried out the New Orleans mall because I needed like some shorts for my outfit. And this mall is kind of big. What's Oakwood Center? I think is the name of it. I'm about to give y'all a little tour. Wow, foot action is huge. They have Novio. I don't know how to say that. This mall is pretty big though. Novo. Y'all, I don't know how to pronounce that. T-Mobile. They got a little hopping center. You want a hop, girl? 5 minutes 8. You said what? I'm hungry too. I'm hungry too. Jess E. City Gear. All right, let's turn around. Ready? Oh, my jewelry. We can find a necklace right there. We run into that, baby. I love me some jewelry. Oh, I haven't seen that in the mall in so long. You know, our malls don't got that. What? I don't like them. Look at this white purse. That's cute. I don't like that. I need like something white. This definitely give me Birmingham vibes.
I mean,
Jelly purses? I don't personally like them. They're cute though. This is what I need right here. Yes, sir. For the white shorts. I think it's doing too much though.
yeah, don't with the purple and the white.
It's doing too much.
Yeah, not all white.
Okay. Say hi to my blog, Tian. This is my girl T. Okay. What's up? Just looking around. I will. Okay, I'm gonna start recording right now. Start recording when we go explore the other mall. Still touring the mall, y'all. Look at that waterfall. It's real nice. This mall is like real nice. They got H&M. That's it. That's it. Oh, I guess that's it on this side. H&M. H&M got jewelry. They go a jewelry stand, girl.
I really want a necklace.
All right, let's look at H&M. Man, that outfit is not cute. On that mannequin. I can see myself in something like that. I can see you in like that too. But I want something matching, like red on red, white on white, blue on blue. H&M is huge. Our H&M back home is kind of big too, but where's the jewelry? So I look like a little boy right now, but I found this cool makeup artist on Instagram, a New Orleans makeup artist. Oh, my eyes are kind of red. My contacts are kind of irritating my eyes. Anyways, I'm like literally kind of excited and nervous at the same time. I'm not used to getting my makeup done out of town. Well, by any other people, like especially out of town or whatever. So I'm definitely excited about this. I really hope it turns out cute. But anyways, I'm gonna record a little bit while she's doing it. I told her that I asked her if I could record or whatever, and then I came to the bathroom to record this part. But I asked her if I could record while she does the makeup, and then we'll see how it turns out. Final makeup looks, y'all. She did her thing. Shout out to she did her thing. So if y'all come to New Orleans, like literally y'all need to get her. But anyways, she did her thing. I'm gonna put your Instagram out here so they can see.
Alright, thank you.
Girl, thank you. Thank you. Girl, I like it. I love it. I love it. Y'all, this shit is like, oh, and then like, wait till I do my hair and stuff. Where are my friends? I'm trying to see where my friends at. Hold on, y'all. But anyways, this looks, I love it. I love it. That's where I was like nervous. I was nervous. I'm not good with trying new things. I'm good with trying new things. It's just, I be nervous. Where are my friends? I don't see them. They said they was outside. But anyways, like, I really like it. So I'm going to put her Instagram. Y'all, if y'all do come to New Orleans, please, pretty please, with a cherry on top, book her, okay? Book her. Like, look at this in the light. Wait till I get home, put on my outfit so we can go to the bars and stuff. If they're open. I don't even know if they're open, but let's go. All right, y'all, so we got ready and cute. Shout out, you know. my girl T, and we are on Bourbon Street right now, and we're trying to figure out like where to eat, what to do. Okay, y'all. So this is Bourbon Street, and this place is like literally lit up.
Skinny with plenty and tall with it all.
Okay, so y'all heard that man. He said skinny with plenty. What he said, and tall with it all. Y'all, I love this. I love New Orleans, baby. I love New Orleans, baby. I love New Orleans. Look at Bourbon Street, y'all. This house. Oh, excuse me. I just cussed on here. This place is lit. But anyways, Bourbon Street is still alive. Like, look at that. Yes, with the mask. Oh, it's the hills. It's the hills. It's the hills. It's the hills for us. Look, hills, Air Force One. Y'all, we still lit though. We still lit. I want the drawing. Let me go ask him how much the drawing is. How much is a drawing?
$15 a person.
What about for 2 people together?
$15 a person.
$15? 15. Are you out here all night? Okay, we haven't ate nothing, so yeah, we'll come back. Are you here tomorrow too? Okay. I want the drawing. I want a drawing. Oh, baby, no. Oh, no, he didn't. Oh, baby, no, he didn't just say that. Y'all, Bourbon Street, these people are funny. These people are hilarious, y'all. Greetings, all like pray to Jesus. Like, I love my God. Oh, like look, like they literally like are out here like preaching the word at 10 o'clock at night. Literally. Oh my God, they can take a picture with the snake. Oh hell no, I'm not putting that snake on me. Oh my God, y'all look at the snake. Look at the snake. Oh, I'm not touching no snake. Look at the snake. Oh my God, I can't touch no snake now. Oh, I can't do it. I'm scared. I'll be scared. Man, I'm scared. Yo, I can't do this. This is lit though. I love it. I'm not gonna want to leave. Oh, he blocked.
Y'all living for Jesus.
I love Jesus, sir. I'm living for Jesus every day.
Come on here to lift up Jesus and preach the good news, the message of the gospel that Jesus came into the world to seek and save that which was lost.
Girl, all of them.
John 3:16 says that for God so
Like
loved the world
a real, yeah, something like that.
whoever believes will not perish but have eternal life. The scripture warns in John chapter 3 that God
Oh, no, this man out here without a shirt on. All right, dude. So you can just smoke out here. Are you? What was it? A TikTok? I don't know any TikTok. I'm a savage. Whoa. Anyways, we're finna go see where we're gonna get some drinks from, and then I'll start back recording, y'all. Hopefully my phone doesn't lose storage. Okay, y'all, so on our second day, we were like, the beach is literally only an hour away, so we're like, let's drive to the beach. So we came to the beach, Biloxi Beach. I ain't never been to Biloxi Beach. It's my first time. But y'all, look, so freaking pretty. Like, so freaking pretty. It's so hot out here. I don't have no sunscreen. I hope I don't get burned. Huh? Yeah, you can put it in the bag. I want to go in the pool. Damn, I should have brought the speaker. I should have brought my speaker. Oh my God, I'm so slow. I'm slow. Pitiful. Now we can't turn up. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to enjoy this little beach time. I hope I don't get burned. Okay, y'all. So the restaurant that we're at is called. What is it called? No, Fogo de Chao. 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 And so far, amazing. My drink, I think it's called Fogo Caprinia. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's how do you say it? Capriccio? I don't know. But it's a how do I put it? A Brazilian cocktail drink. So I feel like this is the freaking vibe. So what the point of this restaurant, what they have is like you try every single type of meat that they have. So it's like they have sirloin, ribeye. It's a really fancy buffet, and I'm in love so far. I'm in love. They start off with salads, and then you can flip the little card, green, and then that's when they start serving the meat. But they come to you. You don't have to walk to the buffet. So it's like a really fancy buffet. But anyways, once they start bringing the meat, I'll record a little bit more so y'all can see the whole like little experience. Anyways, I don't want to leave New Orleans though, but I'll start recording later. Okay, y'all. So the buffet has officially started. I just want y'all to see how this goes. This is so cool. Meat could use a little seasoning, but it's okay. The first one. How's the bacon? Can I get another drink, please? The same kind? Yeah. They have a red drink over there. What is that?
That's the strawberry hibiscus.
I'll get that. No, I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Wait until it's a little further down.
Cocktail is so good. Yeah, like some A1 sauce. We used to that A1 sauce, baby. not to this, baby. I don't like this. How is the bacon?
Wait, do you use the Brazilian pork sausage?
A little bit. Yes, just a little bit.
Grab it your time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Grab it right here from me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm good.
Oh, so y'all didn't see him, but they literally bring the meat to your table. He said he good, baby. He good, baby. I'm from New Orleans, baby. This is a whole lot of meat. This is not.
Like pork ribs?
Can I get a little bit, please? Thank you. Thank you. It's too much. It's too much food. I'm disgusted now. You don't like meat? Like that?
No, I like it.
I love meat. I love chicken too, but I haven't ate meat in so long though. I've been on a chicken diet.
Like bacon and all that.
I don't do bacon. I don't do bacon unless it's on like a salad or something. Y'all seen that though? This is so cool. How about the pork sausage? You tried that? It's hot. It's real hot.
Next.
It's like spicy. That's it. Oh, this is the appetizer. Oh, that looks so good. Y'all know New Orleans is known for their seafood. So we ordered an appetizer of... What is it? It was 2 crab. 2 crab.
New York strip.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fast as hell. Like, I haven't even tried the rib. I wish I had barbecue sauce though. Somebody just...
Have you tried the garlic beef?
Yes, please. Garlic beef?
Yep. What else is it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I try one of your shrimps, girl?
I got it for us.
How do I cut this rib? They got some, what is these called again?
That's the breakfast girl. Me the car. You done with this?
Yeah. This rib needs a little bit more. It's good. Oh no, the rib's good. Yeah. What is it? Got a pork?
Filet mignon?
Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, hot. Oh my god. Oh, that's what I want right there. Look at that. Look at that drink.
Bacon wrapped chicken, bro?
Yes. Dang. I can't eat that.
Doing good, ladies?
Yes, I just need, I think I ordered, I think I ordered it already.
Yeah, they're like 5 minutes. Just one bartender.
Oh, okay, I understand. Have you tried the shrimp though? Let's try the shrimp. Let's try the shrimp, y'all. Okay. I want to try the one with a little bit more butter. But it's good. It's good. It's good. How was this? Oh, I'm full. Thank you. Alright, y'all, so we're back on Bourbon Street. Restaurant was pretty fire. Restaurant was super fire. It's just like, she's trying to be in the video so bad.
Who, George?
Yeah. Restaurant was super fire. Now we're enjoying Bourbon Street. I'm gonna, when we see something lit, I'm gonna start recording as well. I'm looking fancy as hell during Bourbon Street. Woo! They can tell we're not from here, baby. Alright, y'all, so I know, damn, you can't see me at all. You can't see me for real, but anyways, we left the restaurant, we came to Bourbon Street to walk or whatever, and we're trying this rooftop bar, and it's so cool because you're literally on the roof drinking. You can't see me at all, but I'm about to turn the camera around so y'all can see. So this is how it looks. This is like live, period. And then they're about to close. We're literally, it's like literally gonna be 1 o'clock. Y'all, it's a whole show down here. Y'all, look, we're on the roof. Oh, let's go. Oh, this is my scenery.
Grab your shit. Come on, let's go.
Hold on, wait. They following him too. Yeah. So it's our last final day today in New Orleans, and we're getting on the boat, like a boat cruise. We got a boat cruise, 2-hour brunch cruise. Y'all, I have sneakers on, and my feet hurt so bad because I got a blister. I'm about to cry, like it is. But anyways, like we're getting on the boat right now. I'm low-key excited. Okay.
Picture manicure, baby.
Oh, thank you.
Totally. Captain, 1 second, all right? 1 second.
It says boarding 10:30. I didn't see that.
I know.
Come down later after return.
Okay, all right, sir. All right.
Yeah, so it said boarding 10:30, and I thought it was 11:30. But we had to be here at 10:30 to board, and then the boat left at 11:30. I ain't know this. I ain't know that. I feel my foot hurts so bad, y'all. Oh, my foot hurts so bad. But anyway.
Now just stand here and feel the air conditioner for a moment, all right? Stand here for a moment. Yes, sir? Oh, beg your pardon. Thank you.
So y'all, this is the beach tour cocktail.
The Port of South Louisiana is among one of the 10 top ports in the world. This is determined by the amount of gross tonnage passing through the port. Here in New Orleans, we average 400 ships per month and over 90,000 voyages per year.
This is the whole reason why I wanted to come to
Our principal import for the port of New Orleans is steel and plastic. Most of that steel brought in from Japan and Korea. Our principal export is grain. Most of the grain brought down from all the Midwestern states and are stored in grain elevators. We have 10 grain elevators between New Orleans and the Port of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Port of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, located upriver behind us, about 135 miles. As I said, we're heading downstream.
Okay, so we're on the boat. We're eating brunch. Period. It looks so good. We're about to try it though. Okay, the bread is good. You need a little butter. I ain't want to say that on the vlog though. What is this? Egg and what? It's like egg and tomato. I don't eat tomatoes. I definitely don't do tomatoes. I'll do mushrooms before tomatoes. Why they don't got salt and pepper at the table? At least salt and pepper. For the COVID, they can have the little packets. Let's see the sausage. It's good. The steamboat's pretty good. It just need a little bit more salt, but it's alright. It's pretty good. What's this? Spinach dip? Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Spinach dip is pretty good. potatoes. How's the shrimp and grits? Okay, let's do the shrimp and grits.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yes. Well, I think to myself,
It's pretty good. I'm gonna show you the dining area real quick.
It's just such a coming, like I can watch it all one day. So it's such a good day.
Oh, and they're playing live jazz music.
they look kind of wonderful.
Such a vibe. Such a vibe. Alright, so now we're to dessert. What is this, banana pudding?
Also suggest that you take a moment.
I don't even know and ice cream. Apple something. Okay, so this is how the dining area looks. Hey y'all, say hey to the vlog. This is the boat. Okay, we're on the way back now, but
Make sure you check for all
I'll start recording when I get back. When we get back. So, unfortunately, our little trip, our little vacation came to an end. We came back home, but I do want to say, like, I had a really good time, but I feel like since the pandemic is still going on, like, we didn't get to enjoy it. Like, you know, the bars were like not officially all the way open. Restaurants were open and stuff, still, you know, serving alcohol or whatever. Bars, nightclubs were closed. So it's just, you know, I feel like I still had a good experience, but I feel like I need to go back, because I hear so many good things about Nola. So many, like, you know they're partying all night, and they were when we were down there. It was literally 1, 2 in the morning. Still, like, it seemed like they were having block parties and stuff. So I'm pretty sure it was still fun while I was down there. I'm not gonna lie. Then me and my 2 friends, you know, we made it. You know, sometimes it doesn't even matter like what's going on, even if, you know, you're with the right people doing the right things. We can make it, you know, fun by ourselves. And I mean, that's what we did. But I really do feel like I need to go back. I might go back like Mardi Gras. I hope they get real live down there during Mardi Gras. So I might do that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed the trip. It was so much fun. I am going to leave like the Airbnb we stayed in. I'm gonna leave the makeup artist that did my makeup. If you guys ever do go to New Orleans, you know, you have somebody like, oh, okay, well, somebody who I think did a pretty good, like, she did amazing in my opinion. What else? Somebody did, well, my makeup artist did tell me like the mall we went to was kind of like the the worst mall to go to in New Orleans. She told me about another mall, and I forgot the name of it. I think it starts with like a L or whatever. She told me the mall we went to was probably the worst mall we could have went to. But I mean, it got the job done. I just needed to buy a couple things, some jewelry, some shorts, you know, type stuff like that. But I honestly thought it was a pretty good mall. Our mall in Birmingham isn't that big, so I thought it was a pretty decent mall, you know. But yeah, she was like, girl, you went to the wrong mall. And I was like, oops. So when I go back to Louisiana or New Orleans, I have to go to that other mall and try it out. But because she told me, she said, sis, there was a need there. So whew, I felt silly when I told her what mall I went to. The cruise, I can leave the link below as well, like how you can get your tickets and stuff. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $50 or $55 per person, $50 to $70 per person. The restaurant I went to was the bomb. Like, I really did enjoy myself. But anyway, guys, if you like that, I'm talking too much now. If you like that video, please comment, like, subscribe down below. My Instagram is down below _JES with 4 S's _E. Twitter's the same thing, _JESSSS_E. Y'all follow me down below. Follow my Instagram. Go spam those pictures, and I will be following you back. Y'all comment, tell me like what was your favorite. How Dora be like, what was your favorite part of the show? What was your favorite part? Comment down below. Tell me what you liked the best about my about this trip. I really enjoyed it. I had a wonderful time. Once again, I do have to go back. I'm going back. Hopefully when everything opens back up. But anyway, guys, I'm signing out.